Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can go ahead and give Robux to a person in a group. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do these methods if you're using your Android device, iPhone or Windows computer. Inside the Roblox page, you can just go ahead and proceed by navigating through the group section. It will then take you to your groups right here. Now inside the group section, you can just go ahead and select a group that has the person that you want to give the Roblox of. In my case, since I don't have any groups, I'll just go ahead and select a random group right here. And once inside a group, you can just go ahead and click on this button, and inside you want to go ahead and click on configure group. Now inside the configuration part, you will then go ahead and see a distribute button beside this window. And right after that, you want to go ahead and click on the one-time payment, and from there you can just go ahead and type the username of the player that you want to give Robux of. And lastly, you now have to enter the amount of Robux and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.